Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today I want to discuss again the stock split after the Nvidia and the Broadcom that kind of quite took the news in last couple of months. We have two more interesting semiconductor stock that's gonna split very soon. In fact, that's gonna split next week itself, so you do not have much time to act on this. I want to discuss what they are and how you can take advantage of that. So with all that, let's start. Okay, so before we go into the stocks, right, I just want to quickly, if you're not familiar about the stock split, I just want to quickly touch on what that a stock split means and what exactly this does to the stock, right? So as you can see from Investopedia itself, right, stock split is nothing but it's kind of dividing a particular stock to multiple of that pieces, right? So in fact, it does not do anything to the market capitalization for that particular company. It just, the share prices are kind of divided by the number of stock that is gonna split to, right? So for example, if a stock announce 10 for 1, right, that means if currently the stock price is $100, after the stock split that's gonna be $10, right? So that's all the stock split does. The another important factor that it does is, right, it's basically, as you see, right, it basically increases the liquidity for the stock, right? So the when you say stock split, it's basically to attract more of the retail investor into the stock. So by increasing that liquidity, that's what it helps to, because once the stock is price is lower, more and more people join the stock, and that increases the stock liquidity, right? So that's all about the stock split. Now let's discuss those two AI related stocks that's gonna split. Okay, so the first one is super microcomputer, right? Ticker SMCI. So this is gonna be a 10 for 1 stock split. And super microcomputer, if you're not familiar, they are pretty much a very long company. I mean, they started this company almost 1900, right? So and they do lot of data kind of warehouse. If you have seen, they make lot of racks for the data warehouses, and as you know, AI needs lot of power, so that's why Nvidia also is moving because of all this AI boom. And this is the SMCI is also a beneficiary of that, right? So they do make a lot of products directly related to the processors and the GPUs and everything, right? So they supply a lot of hardware to all these data mining centers and data warehouses, right? So this is a direct beneficiary, if I say, to the AI boom that we are seeing. Okay, so this is gonna be, in terms of a stock split, this is gonna be a 10 for 1, right? As I said, 10 for 1. And the timing of that, right, the timing of that is gonna be on September 30th market close, right? So when in Monday, when the market closes, the SMCI after that will be split for 10 for 1. So right now it is going for about 419, right? So once the split happens, you can say this is gonna be around like if it stays in the same range, this will be a pretty affordable stock. And I'm pretty much sure the option market will be hot in this, because after the split, this is gonna be close to $40 stock, right? So there will be a lot of option selling and buying will happen, and with that anticipation, there will be a upward movement, as a lot of the agencies are predicting as well, right? So that's number one on the list for next week. It's pretty big stock split that was kind of taking limelight after the Nvidia, right? So I do check this out on Monday on how the prices goes or swings around for this. Okay, the next one is the Lam Research Corporation, right? Ticker ticker LRCX. So this is also a pretty much they have a diversified kind of portfolio. This is mostly into a lot of research kind of thing, but why I say that they are in mostly in the AI space is for two reasons, right? They do have a kind of water fabrication equipment that they make, which is used by the semiconductor companies. Also, if you look at their product lines, right, they do make certain products that is used to cut the chip that goes in lot of appliances or any other AI related equipment that are being manufactured right now in terms of hardware. So the semiconductor is, you can say, the heart of it, right? So, and they do make a lot of equipment that helps build those semiconductors. So this is why this is pretty much a direct beneficiary of the semiconductor market boom that we are seeing. And in terms of a stock split, this is gonna be a 10-for-1 stock split that's gonna happen, and this is gonna happen on October 2nd, right, which is Wednesday. So Wednesday after market close, this is gonna split. The price wise, they are running right now as 827. So that means if you look at their graph too, right, they are almost at the verge of a breakout, it seems like. And a lot of analysts have also been predicting on it's like that they would see an upside moment. It kind of after the mostly that July boom that we saw, it kind of came down, but it did hit these 3 points, right? So this is like a triple bottom it has reached, and now it is going up, right? So I would expect it to move forward on this, as long as the semiconductor overall sector is in a bullish trend, right? So do watch out for this, because there would be price movement of this on this as well. And again, this is also doing a 10-for-1, right? So again, this is right now it's out of reach for most of the retail investor, but once the stock split happens, this is also be well within the retail investors reach, right? And that's gonna again similar to the previous one that we saw, which was SMCI super micro computers. This is gonna be in range of the retail investors, and that's gonna increase liquidity, and with that comes the option market trend, right? So you will see a lot of option trading in this as well after the split. So that was it, guys. Those are the two hot names on the AI stock splits that's taking rounds now, and it's gonna happen next week. And I'm sure you have got your input from this video, and do your due diligence on your own before you try to invest any of your money into these stocks. And if you have any questions related to this, do put your questions, guys. And if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.